offset chicken wings on the Lone Star 20 by 42. Let me show you how to make these amazing, crispy, but yet so tender and barbecuey. It's gonna be so delicious. Stick around, we're gonna jump right in. It's time to prepare our chicken wings. We got the Smart Chicken brand, I love it. And this is just one case of chicken wings, and it's gonna be perfect for a party or just a backyard cookout. Or even a tailgate. No matter what your situation is, you definitely got to do this. And we want to show you how to make crispy chicken wings, but yet have it tender in the inside. So I'm going to take you inside so we can season it on our cutting board and get it ready for the smoker. It's time to fire up our Lone Star so we can get these chicken wings on the grill. We're using our Grill Blazer grill torch. It's fantastic to light up your charcoal. I've got a charcoal bed to be our base, and then we're gonna be using some wood splits that are 6 to 8 inches long. I'm gonna put extras on either side of the fire management system so that we're able to warm it up and get clean burn whenever an immediate combustion on the charcoal when it's time to go. So I'm gonna bring you over to the firebox and we're gonna get this thing lit up so we can get the wings on the grill. It's time to get these wings on the offset here. We're going to start these on the bottom rack, and then when I get probably 20 minutes, 30 minutes into it, we'll flip these. I'm actually going to move them to the top rack after that, where I think we're going to get more crispy skin. All right, we're checking these wings and they are looking good. I mean, I'm already at 140 on this one and it's cut really good color on that. I actually don't know if I need to move these on the top rack. That's good for me. So we're at 140. I'm gonna pull this out just slightly. Should use gloves. And we're just gonna baste these just a little bit. These chicken wings are done, and man, it took probably 65 minutes to make, maybe a little bit longer. It was super easy to maintain the fire, probably had 2 or 3 wood splits every 30 minutes, and probably that last 20 minutes basted it in barbecue sauce, and now we have an amazing end product. So let's bite into this. Man, wow. Cherry barbecue sauce, totally hit that flavor. Tender, juicy, you can see it cooked through. Hopefully it's shining through. Man, those chicken wings were delicious. And I'm telling you, you could taste the flavor differences between an offset wood cooking chicken wings versus my ceramic. Let me know in the comments if you want to see a little comparison, head-to-head version between the KJ versus the offset. But I was really happy with how my first chicken wings turned out on the Lone Star. Let me know if you're finding value in this video by liking and subscribing. And again, from my backyard to yours, less hate, more love, good barbecue. Till next time.